Hello everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today I'm sharing another Halloween card, and it is this Wicked card. I really love this bundle. It is one of my favorite. It is my favorite Halloween bundle this year out of the new catalog. So you can get this starting September 4th, which is right around the corner. It came so fast, but oh my goodness, I know a lot have been waiting for this new catalog. There's so much goodness in it. And if you'd like a new holiday catalog and you do not have a demonstrator, you can contact me and I'll be happy to send you out a catalog. So for this card, we are using the Wonderfully Wicked bundle, and it is this stamp set, which is my favorite for the Halloween. And then this is the Wicked die, this die right here, and this does come as a bundle. So if you buy it as a bundle, you save 10%, but you can buy them separately, or if you'd like, whichever way you like, you can purchase it. But I do recommend the bundle if you want this die here, and the die is awesome. I love the writing on it, and it's super cute. Alright, so this is what we're making, so let's go ahead and get started. We are going to use a basic 5.5 by 4 1/4 card base, and this is Thick Whisper White. We are using Gorgeous Grape, and it is 5 1/4 by 4. And then for the stamping, we are going to use a piece that is 5 by 3 3/4. And yeah, that's it. I have an extra piece of scrap, Gorgeous Grape, to cut out the Wicked with my Big Shot. Alright, so that is it. So let's start stamping this. So we are going to use Memento Black, and we are just going to start stamping randomly these little spider webs. They're so cute. And stamp on and off because it's super cute when you stamp off there, and it just coordinates. So then I'm just stamping with what ink is left on the ink pad, so we have just a lighter color there, so you can see that. Alright, next we're going to stamp the spider. And we're going to actually stamp him on this spider web here, and then we'll stamp him over here. I'm just stamping him like 3 times on here. And then the next thing that we're going to do is we are going to do a little bit of splattering, and I am going to use my Gorgeous Grape for this. And what I usually do is I just grab some off of there, and I use that as my palette, and then I use my aqua painter, and I start adding water to it here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start splattering around that, and then I'm going to take some of the darker and I'm going to just splatter some of the darker too, just to give it a little bit of a variation. And you don't want to go too crazy, but I think that's good right there. Alright, so I'm just going to clean off my aqua painter here and that ink off of there so I don't get it all over everything else. Okay, so next thing we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and bring up the Big Shot, and we are going to cut out the Wicked. So I'm going to use my magnetic platform, a base plate, and then we are going to lay down our piece of cardstock, and we're going to run this through. So it comes out really nicely, and look how nice that it cuts. Alright, so now we're ready to put it on the front. The first thing that we're going to do though first is we are going to just tear like the corner here, just to give it a little bit more interest. And now we're ready to add our wicked. I'm going to use some of my Tombow glue here. And we're going to just start putting it all around. If you have a fine tip glue pen, you can use that too. This is my preference. Alright, and if I had my tweezers out here, I would use those, but I didn't bring them up here. And then we're just going to set this down. Make sure that it's straight. We're going to place that down. And then we're going to adhere this with some snail onto our card base. Well, actually, onto our matte piece first. And then onto our card base. And last but not least, I am going to add some of our Noble Peacock rhinestones. So we have these right here. Aren't those gorgeous? I love it. Every color in here, they're so pretty. And we are just going to add a few here. I'm going to add one down here. And I usually do it in like threes, or I usually do an odd number when I use any kind of embellishment like this. Alright, so there you have it. It's all done. Isn't that cute? I really love this stamp set. It's just adorable. And it's really quick and easy. So here's the other one. So I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. I hope you all have a blessed one, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'll see you later. Bye.